Good day everyone. This is the presentation of our final project entitled Web-Based DIT Navigation Map for Cavite State University Main Campus.
The world is vast, and to see it entirely, a map is invented and serves as a guide for an individual access finding and searching for a specific place. A navigation map was used by many organizations, companies, and universities. A web-based DIT building navigation map for Cavite State University main campus is accessible online. The system is offered three main features, identified as the IT Building Navigation Map, Explore the IT Building, and the IT Room Search Bar. The system is a response to the struggle of an individual locating, searching for different pathways and routes to their destination. This system provides a solution to the community, students, or individual who are unfamiliar with the DIT building surroundings.
The system features hold the detailed functional requirements and the non-functional requirements of the system. For the functional requirements, the first main feature of the system is to provide details to locate the DIT building. It includes displaying the different routes and locate the establishment. The next feature is to provide building tour experience by displaying the room's information and have an animated virtual tour of the department. Finally, the last main feature of the system is to provide the IT room search bar to search for the specific room within the facility.
The non-functional requirements of the system must contain time behavior, which the system must load within 5 seconds. Next is usability, for providing details on different pathways. Security, for not requiring personal information. Performance, shows the search bar to respond within 1 second. The system shall accessible online and compatible to various devices. It also has functionality, which are the buttons and text field must function to its intended use. The system shall guide and navigate the user to the specified destination within the facility.
The navigation map provides a virtual tour of the regions within the DIT, or the Department of Information Technology. The system has 4 interfaces including the homepage, navigating the DIT building, exploring the DIT building, and a room search bar. When the user clicks the first button, which is to navigate the building, it will proceed to the interface where the user can view the graphic map showing where the DIT building is. In exploring the DIT building, the user will be able to have a visual tour within the building, while the room search bar allows the user to search for the location of their desired room easily.
The three-dimensional visual tour will be used to develop the web-based navigation map using the Blender program. The backend program are developed using JavaScript, HTML, and Python, and some front-end features are used as well. Additionally, PHP MyAdmin will be used in this project to access MySQL in order to store and retrieve data in the software. The computer system that will be used to create the web-based navigation map will meet the following specification. First, a computer with 64-bit architecture and a 1280 by 768 pixel screen display with a Microsoft Windows 10 64-bit operating system and a CPU with at least 64-bit dual-core 2 GHz CPU with streaming SIMD extension 2 support, and a system memory of at least 4 GB and a hard disk drive with at least 500 GB of space above. Mouse and trackpad or pen and tablet are additional keywords.
The diagram shows the flow of the interaction between the entity and the system. On the diagram presented, there's only one entity, which is a source and sink entity called student, and the system called Web-Based DIT Building Navigation Map System.
The diagram shows the detailed flow of the interactions between the entity and the system. The data flow diagram is more detailed version of context diagram. On the diagram presented, there are two entities encoded student and web-based DIT building navigation map system. Also, the taken process by respective entities is shown and the use data store is presented.
The diagram shows the interaction between the actor or user and the system. The actor in the system is the student, specifically the IT student. The IT student can access and search the IT building navigation map website. Student can choose from 3 buttons, and if the button is selected, it has excluded process. Lastly, the student is the one who exits the website. Also, in this diagram, we provide use case description, each use case done by the student. Use case description is used to discuss detailed process taken by the student.
The diagram shows the start and the end of the activities taken by a specific actor with a specific role. On the diagram, we use swim lanes to divide the role of the actor. On the left side, the student, and on the right side is the system.
The diagram shows the structure and behavior of the system. On the diagram, it shows how the web-based DIT building navigation map system works, the relationships per module, and the transmission and production of data.
The system is accessible online. Once the user accesses the website, the index page will be displayed. There are 3 buttons shown in the index page for the user to click. The 3 buttons are the IT building navigation map, explore the IT building, and the IT room search bar.
When the Explore the DIT building button is clicked by the user, the website will display an interactive 3D or 2D animation of the DIT building.
When the navigation to the DIT building was clicked by the user, graphic map displayed different pathways and routes to the DIT building location.
When the DIT room search bar button is clicked by the user, the website will display the DIT room search bar. The user can search for the specific room or faculties that the DIT building has.
The user can explore the DIT building and gain information about the details of the DIT building. Also, on the upper left corner of the web page, a graphic map is displayed. This graphic map serves as a guide on user's location.